Hey guys, it's Dan here, and today what I'm going to do is an unboxing and a little bit of a review on a new tool that I have for my barbecue arsenal. What I have today, this is made by INKBIRD, and this is the Bluetooth Wi-Fi Smart Barbecue Thermometer. It is the model IBT-26S 5G, and according to the box, it'll support up to 6 probes. It does 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So, and there's an app there that you can download. I'm going to unbox this for you. I'm going to play around with it. Don't know exactly what I'm going to cook yet. This isn't going to be a cooking video, but I'm going to test this, put it through its paces a little bit, and I'll let you guys know. This is the first time I've had a Wi-Fi thermometer or anything. I've always done mine the old-fashioned way. I'm hoping this makes everything a lot easier for me. So let's get to unboxing this and we'll all find out together. Okay, let's find out what all's in this box. Right here's the front of the box. Let me grab this. I don't know how well you can see that, but it tells you it supports up to 6 probes, does the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi and the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, made by INKBIRD. There's your QR scan to download the INKBIRD app, and it tells you everything it does. It's rechargeable, it has a timer and all that good stuff. It's magnetic. We'll get to seeing all this. Alright, so let's see what exactly is in this box. Well, let's just turn it over and find out. Alright, opening the box, first thing I see is the user's manual. Alright, it looks pretty straightforward and everything. Ooh, this is nice looking. I don't know how well you can see that. There's oven, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. There's all the ports and everything. What do we got over here? Or do I need to pull this out? I know it's in there. I'm trying not to tear everything up, but we'll see what else is in here. Let me move that box back over here so you guys can see everything that comes out. Alright, it comes with 4 probes, Type-C charging cable, and 2 of these clips, so if you want to know what your grill temperature or whatever's running at, you put that on the grill grates. I really wasn't expecting it to come with 4 probes. That is very nice. Hopefully you guys can see that part. Well, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get this thing charging, and after I get it charged, I'll download the app and we'll get to playing with this. Alright guys, to give this a real good test and everything, I've got a little bit of smoke rolling. I got about an 8-pound pork butt here. This isn't a cooking video, so I'm not going to go through everything on the pork butt. I do have a very good video on how to do a pork butt. I just wanted to show you how I'm testing this out. This right here, that's my probe for the pit boss that I'm cooking on. And actually, since I opened the lid, the alarm's already going off because my ambient temperature went down. I've got this in the oven plug, so I know my ambient temperature on this. And then I put this meat probe in also in probe 1, and that way I should be able to judge everything. And I'm going to be coming up here periodically with my instant read thermometer, and we're going to give this a good test run. But I've got this connected to my phone and everything, but let me see if you're able to see this. See, when I opened the lid, the temperature got down to 214. Now it's climbing back up. Now I closed it. I just started this. The pork butt's only at 43 degrees internal. I'm doing an overnight cook on this. We're definitely going to test this INKBIRD out. I'm going to run this cook low and slow all night. I'm going to hopefully run right around 225. Got it synced up with my phone. It was actually pretty easy. The Bluetooth works great. The Wi-Fi works good too. The Wi-Fi I did have to read twice on exactly how to do it, and you do it through the app. Once I figured out you do it through the app, man, it is wonderful. So let me finish testing this out, and I'll be back with my finished review, or I might stop back a few times and just show you how everything's going. Hey guys, I don't know how well you're going to be able to see me. It's early morning, foggy out here on the lake and everything. I did an overnight cook to really test this out. This INKBIRD, it's the Bluetooth Wi-Fi smart barbecue thermometer. It's the IBT-26S 5G. I'm actually very, very impressed with this. I ran it through a lot of different tests while I did an overnight cook and everything. I actually drove to a town about 30 minutes east of here on my phone, still knew all my temperatures and everything. Played around moving some of the alerts around just to see how accurate the alarms were and everything. It just did an impeccable job, everything I could ask for it to do. And at the price point, you know, if you're getting something like this that actually came with 4 probes for under $100, I don't know if you've ever shopped for them before. I consider that a pretty good deal for everything this will do. I actually ran it off of Bluetooth for a while I was here on the boat. Worked great on that. I connected it to the Wi-Fi. I connected it to our 2.4G, and there's a 5G Wi-Fi out here also. And it worked great on both of those. Went to a town just a little bit west of here. Played around with it because we had to run errands and everything while you're doing a long cook and stuff. I didn't have to sit and babysit and run to the smoker all the time and go, oh, well, what's the temperature and everything? Because what I did is a pork butt, and I wanted to hit a certain temperature and then wrap it, and then hit another certain temperature, pull it and put it in a cooler to rest. Didn't have to check on it all the time. This thing just made it so much easier. Yes, I'm very happy with it. If you're looking for Bluetooth or a Wi-Fi thermometer, I would definitely suggest this one. I am very impressed with this a lot. It worked out great. I'll be leaving links and everything down in the description to INKBIRD, to this actual unit right here that I tested out. I'm impressed. Well, with that being said, hopefully everybody has a blessed day. Just wanted to let you all know also, this thing is magnetic, sticks to the side of the grill, keeps everything out of your way. I can't say enough how well this worked out for me. I am so glad this is going to be a part of my barbecue arsenal. I ran it through a lot of different tests, set a lot of different things to make sure the alarms went off, and this thing worked spot on.